to the sine of angle formed by other two forces. Okay, so sine 150, that is equal to TCD upon sine 90 is equal to W2 upon sine 120. Okay, so these are the two equations we have found for the using Lami's theorem for point B and point C. This is equation number 1. Okay, and this is equation number 2. Now in the equation number 2, I have the value of CD. Okay, so what we can do is we can apply the equation as TCD upon sine 90 is equal to W2 upon sine 120. But TCD is equal to 300 newtons. So 300 upon sine 90 is equal to W2 upon sine 120. Okay, so I can get the value of sine 120. Okay, so sine 120 upon sine 90 into 300, that is equal to W2. So what we can get the value of W2? So W2, that is equal to, we can find out as 120 sine, okay, divided by sine 90 is 1, multiply by 300. So we get the answer as 259.8 newtons. So W2 we have calculated. Now I want to find out the equation, that is force in the member BC. Okay, we know TCD, we have found out W2, so now what is left? TBC. So what we can do, we can again apply our taking two equations, TBC upon sine 150 is equal to TCD upon sine 90. So TBC, that is equal to TCD into sine 150 upon sine 90. Okay, so what is TCD? 300. Okay, what is sine 150? So sine 150 is 0.5 divided by 1. So we get TBC is equal to 150 newtons. Okay, so now we have calculated TBC also. Okay, so second answer we have obtained. Now we will come to our first equation. What is our first equation? The first equation is TAB upon sine 90 is equal to W1 upon sine 150 is equal to TBC upon sine 120. So we have already calculated TBC, that is 150 Newton. So we are now interested to find out two unknowns, W1 and TAB. So what I will do, I will take the equation as, what I can take the equation, TAB upon sine 90 is equal to TBC upon sine 120. But what is TBC? That is equal to 150 newtons. So TAB is equal to 150 into sine 90 divided by sine 120. Okay, so TAB, that comes out to be 173.2 newtons. So we have calculated TAB. Okay. Now what is left out? So we are interested to now find out W1. Okay. So to find out W1, I will use the equation W1 upon sine 150 is equal to TBC upon sine 120. Okay. So I can write down over here as TAB upon sine 90 is equal to W1 upon sine 150. Okay. So TAB we have calculated as 173.2 divided by sine 90 is 1. That is equal to W1 upon sine 150. What is sine 150? So sine 150 is 0.5. Okay. So 173.2 into 0.5, that is equal to 86.2. So W1, that is equal to 86.2 newtons. So we have calculated W1 also. Okay. So what will be our final answer? So our final answer will be W1, W2, TAB, TBC and TCD. Okay. TCD, that is equal to 300 newtons, as it is similar to the DE string. Then TBC 150 newtons. Then TAB 173.2 newtons. Then W2 we have calculated as 259.8 newtons, and W1 we have calculated as 86.2 newtons. So this is our final answer. Okay, thank you.